Hi everyone, for this video, I will be requesting to participate in the PlanetWatch governance vote for the Type 2 sensor. This procedure should be the same for the future governance changes that they will introduce to the PlanetWatch community. To be eligible to vote, you must first hold a registered PlanetWatch account with at least one sensor that is connected. So if you're only holding a license right now and still waiting for your sensor, you will not be able to participate in any governance voting. Second, you must have a preloaded wallet in the app with at least 0.102 algos for voting operations. So 0.101 algos are spent to initialize the special token used for the vote, and 0.001 algos will be spent for the transaction delivering your vote. So for the current price of 35 cents, participating in this governance vote will cost you about 3.5 pennies. Your voting power is expressed by the number of voting tokens that you will receive. This number depends on the aggregate reputation score for all the sensors linked to your email address as of a certain date. So for this one is as of July 21st. So let's get right through it. First, you need to open your PlanetWatch app and sign in with your account where the wallet and sensor is connected. Then you want to click on the blue Gov Vote T2 Rewards button. Then click on the blue I want to participate button. Choose the wallet where you want to receive your voting token, and then click on the Proceed button. This screen will show you how many voting tokens will be sent to your wallet. After you review it, just click on the green Proceed button. For this particular governance vote, yes or option A means that you support the PlanetWatch proposal for a permanent 100% increase for the max reward per stream for Type 2 sensors, and no or option B means that you do not support the PlanetWatch proposal for a permanent 100% increase for the max reward stream for Type 2 sensor. Make sure to read the governance proposal so that you can make an informed decision and vote based on what you think will help the project the most, because your investment is tied to the success of the project and not to your emotion or feeling based on the current performance of the token. I hope that this video helped you. Please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel, and thank you for watching.